Sometimes if a problem seems difficult, it's because you haven't made it difficult enough. Constraints can really help you sometimes. And this is something I learned today in practice when I was writing my blog, because I have this limitation on me. I get up before my wife and son, and that means I have like 1 hour, 2 hours max of undisturbed time where I can work and write. And the text that I write can be 1 A4 page maximum in Word. If it's longer, I have to cut it down. And today I wrote a blog which I found very enjoyable. I was just writing and got into the zone, and I produced more and more content. And suddenly I realized, wait a minute, I'm up at 1.5 pages now. So I had to kill my darlings, and I had this section in the text that it was a good section. I liked it. However, I noticed that I started to drift off and go on a tangent away from the main theme of the text. So I took it and I threw it away. And I got the text down to 1 A4 page. But it really was a good text because I had a red thread that was going throughout the whole article. And that makes it easier for you to read it and understand it. If I go all over the place, it's going to be more complex. It doesn't matter if the content is good. It also needs to be focused and structured. And that is what my 1-page limitation, it served me very well. And it's also served you very well now because the text was easier for you to read. I think if you have 1 page, it's a better format because you read it on a cell phone. It's a quick read. And you know that every text that I publish has the same length. So it's going to take the same amount of time every time you go and read a blog post that I write. So, yeah. Remember to introduce constraints, because they can really simplify your life. And it can make it easier by making it harder. How paradoxical it might seem, but it's actually true. So that's my life lesson for today. I knew this since before in other areas of my life, but today I discovered it when I was writing. And it's exactly the same thing. And I'm pretty sure that you can use this technique on just about any field. Introduce the constraints before you start working, and then you will have a clear deadline that you're finished. It could be a deadline in time or amount, or like in my case, both. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you later. Oh, and by the way, I'm really happy that we're moving into brighter times now, because you see, it's quite late in the evening, but we have very good light for vlogging now. Usually in the winter, it's pitch black the whole day around here in this place in Sweden. But now it's late in the evening, and it's like perfect diffuse light. So now I can go out and do vlogs any time of the day. Great. See ya.